Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Undercover Tech. I am Prince, and in this video we were going to learn about basic concept of networking. Okay, so let's start the video. Guys, so first question is, what is networking? So guys, networking means a concept two or more device like computer, laptop or phone to share data and resources like files, internet or printers, any file to the other person or other device. So that's called networking. Okay, so guys, next question is key, what is how many types of networking? So guys, in the network there are three types of networking: LAN, WAN and MAN. So guys, I want to tell you something about LAN, WAN or MAN. Okay, so guys, first is LAN. The full form of LAN is local area network. So guys, the work in used in home, school or office and small area too. Okay, so that's very fast because we were used wire for LAN. Okay, and guys, second is WAN, wide area network. Wide area example like large area and like internet used all over the world, like you know you know very well, you right now watch my video use of internet. Okay, so this is the example of internet. And guys, third is WAN. WAN, MAN mean metropolitan area network. Okay, it's like LAN and WAN used in cities or big campus like metro cities. Okay, that name is metro. So like metro cities, they use wire for particular place, a small place. Okay, it's not like a wide this network is used in very small place. Okay, so that's a MAN. And guys, third is basic device in networking. So guys, computer is a very basic device, you know very well, because we all are use computer in these days. So guys, send or receive data. And second is router, we all are use Wi-Fi router. And our mobile is also a router, like because we were open the hotspot for sharing our data, not data, internet data. Okay, router. And switches, I think you don't know switches. Switches is a card. And in this switch we were connect lots, not lots, it's a particular amount of port, like 24 port, 96 64 port. And we were use large amount of computer in a switch. Okay, so guys, next is firewall. Firewall protect the network from attacks, like many types of virus and many types of hackers want to hack your device, so they protect your device. Okay, and guys, third is IP address. You don't know about IP, but I want to tell you something about IP. IP is a internet protocol address. Okay, the IP address is very different, and all over the device it is a different number. Okay, like in your mobile phone it also has a IP address. Okay, guys, I don't know how you feel after listen my English, because my English is not fluent. That's the not time, but I want to improve. So please don't mind it. Okay, like, the next topic is why networking is important. So guys, networking allow communication, file sharing, online gaming, cloud computing and business operations. So that's why networking is very important. And it very important, the networking is a very important role play in our all the life, because if you know, we all are use networking or internet daily, or after wake up and after sleep. That time only we are free to networking. So guys, in the short, without networking the internet wouldn't exist, you know. So guys, that's the basic knowledge of networking, simple and essential. If you found this video is helpful for you, please give it a like, subscribe and comment below. And guys, if you what networking topic you want to next, so please comment in the comment below. And thanks for watching my video. Guys, one more thing, if you want to this complete video PDF, so I have PDF because I make the PDF of this video. So if you want the PDF, so you please comment in the video, and I of course share you the PDF. Thank you.